everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video I will be explaining that how to disable Windows Defender on Windows 11, Windows 10 permanently. So there are many reasons of disabling the Windows Defender, like you want to switch to any other antivirus program, it's consuming too much high CPU and the memory usage, you are not able to install any application, or probably many other issues. So how you have to do this need to be done in two simple steps. Number one, we need to disable it from the group policy editor. Now in case if you're not able to open the group policy editor, then I will be leaving a link in the description. You can watch that video to fix the problem, and after that your gpedit will be working, because you always need group policy editor, so you should fix that right away. On your Windows search, just type gpedit. From the suggestion, choose edit group policy. The group policy editor will be up. In the computer configuration, click on administrative templates, then on Windows components. Now scroll down. You will find Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Click on it, and then on the right hand side you will get turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Double click on it. This should be set to not configured. You have to set to enabled. Then click on apply and then on OK. Once done, close it. Now in the search box type virus. From the suggestion, choose virus and threat protection. Here in the virus and threat protection setting, click on manage settings. Then disable the real-time protection for a time being. And then minimize it. Now I will be leaving another link in the description. You need to copy the link, paste into your browser. You will be coming to this website, and you have to come here and scroll down to the bottom, and you will find this box of download. So click on download. Once the file has been downloaded, if it's in a zip file, you need to extract it, and once extracted you will be getting this folder of dcontrol. Double click on it, and then you will be getting here password. So click on the password, just copy the password from here, close it. Now click on dcontrol yellow folder, again on dcontrol, and then you will be getting dcontrol application. Double click on it, then click on run, and then paste the password. Now click on OK. Now if you get this red malicious file page, then this is just because you are disabling the Microsoft Defender, so that's why you are getting this message. It's a trustworthy software, so you don't have to worry. Click on more info, then click on run anyway, then click on yes. You will be getting this option, real-time protection is turned off. Now again you have to click on the search icon, type virus and threat protection, choose from here, then click on manage settings here and enable it, real-time protection. Go back. Now it says Windows Defender is running, so you have to click on disable Windows Defender. It says in order to continue processing, you have to manually turn off the tamper protection. Do you want to turn it off? Yes. So you have to come to here, just disable the tamper protection, click on yes, go back, again click on disable Windows Defender, and now finally you can see it says Windows Defender is turned off. If I minimize it and go back again, right click on the Windows icon and then choose settings, then privacy and security, then Windows security, virus and threat protection, and now you can see it says no active antivirus provider. Your device is vulnerable, right? So you can see your virus threat protection is managed by your organization, and this has been disabled permanently. Now if in future if you change your mind and if you want to enable it back, then simply you have to enable it from the gpedit the way we did it. You can watch the video again, and after that you can just run this file again from here, run it, and then you need to click on enable antivirus or enable the Windows Defender. So hopefully this will work for you guys, and if you still have any issues, any problem, let me know in the comment section. If you're not able to open the gpedit, then watch the video in the description. And if it worked for you, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.